The Fearless Gnome's Hillside Quest. In a charming garden nestled at the foot of rolling hills, there lived a gnome named Gus. Unlike his fellow gnomes who preferred the comfort of their flower beds, Gus's heart yearned for adventure beyond the garden gates. One sunny morning, with a sense of determination in his heart, Gus packed a small knapsack with provisions, ready and excited to venture off on a new adventure. As Gus ventured into the hilly landscape, he felt the thrill of the unknown. Gus's first challenge arose when he came across a rushing river blocking his path. Determined not to turn back, Gus remembered a trick he had learned from an old owl friend. He fashioned a makeshift raft from fallen branches and leaves, using vines to secure it together. With careful paddling and a bit of gnome ingenuity, Gus crossed the river safely. Continuing his journey, Gus scrambled up the rocky terrain of a mountain on the other side of the river. At the summit, he gazed out over the expanse of green valleys and distant mountains. After enjoying the view and a short break, Gus pressed on. His final challenge was a deep gorge with a mystical water spring at the bottom. Peering down into the depths, Gus climbed down from vine to vine. At the bottom of the gorge, Gus discovered the sparkling water spring, its waters shimmering with magical light. At the edge of the spring, he spotted a wise old badger named Bramble. "Greetings, young gnome," Bramble rumbled in a gravelly voice. "What brings you to these depths?" Gus introduced himself with a friendly smile, explaining his quest for adventure. Impressed by Gus's bravery and reverence for nature, Bramble offered him a vial of enchanted water from the spring, said to bring luck and courage to its bearer. With the gift safely tucked away, Gus bid farewell to Bramble, feeling a sense of accomplishment. As dusk painted the hills in shades of lavender and gold, Gus returned to his garden, his heart brimming with excitement. Gus realized that the true joy of adventure lay not just in conquering challenges, but in the friendships and wisdom gained along the way. And so, Gus the fearless gnome continued to dream of distant horizons, knowing that the hills held endless wonders for those brave enough to seek them.